Heidi. Kakagising ko lang pero isa lang kasi yung pumapasok sa isip ko na sabi ko, ano bang magandang gawin? Kasi it's our day to day, sabi mo nga, diba? So, sana ma-surprise ka. Mas-surprise ka ba? Okay, siguro kantahan na lang kita kasi medyo matagal-tagal mo na rin ako hindi naririnig kumanta, diba? So, it's for you. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, you never been afraid. I've loved the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. Pasensya ka na, medyo paus pa ako, syempre, kagigising ko nga lang, diba? Happy anniversary, Daddy. I love you. Mwah! Bye-bye.